In this video, we'll learn how to create job titles in TeamTrace. Job titles describe the roles of users within your organization. Rather than defining what someone is doing day to day, they reflect what someone is responsible for. Common examples include project manager, team lead, and HR executive. To get started, navigate to Settings and under Organization Setup, select Job Title. By default, you'll find 3 pre-existing job titles: Employee, Manager, and Super Admin. To add a new job title, click Add. You'll need to fill in 3 fields: job title, the name of the role; department, the group, department, or team this role belongs to; reports to, the job title this role reports to. Once you've filled in the details, click Add. Your newly created job title will appear in the list. You can also edit or delete any job title at any time using the options available in the list. The Number of People column displays the total number of users assigned to each job title. Clicking on that number will show you exactly which users are listed under it. You can also filter by department to search for a specific job title whenever needed. Finally, once a job title has been created, it will be available when adding a new user in TeamTrace. For example, if only one job title exists for a given department, it will populate automatically. If multiple job titles are available, a drop-down menu will appear in the job title field, allowing you to select the appropriate one.